السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Who are you? I'm a student. What is your name? My name is Imu. How are you? Fine, thank you. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. What is your father's name? My father's name is Mr. Japan. Where do you study in? I study in Mariam Panjumunshi Markazul Ulum Madrasa. What class do you study in? I study in class 2. How many students are there? 50 students are in our class. Who is the founder of Mariam Panjumunshi Markazul Ulum Madrasa? Muazzem Hossein Shobush Saheb. Who is the principal of Mariam Panjumunshi Markazul Ulum Madrasa? Hazrat Maulana Mufti Abdul Wadud Saheb. Thanks for hearing our weak presence. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.